last part is how to wiring. Okay, we offer this connect for plug with the stock wire harness, and this connect location is under our rider seat. Okay, when you open the rider seat, you can see this connect, and there are a few wires over here, and what's their function you must be to know. Okay, this wire with black is a power wire, and it's for braking use. Okay, so you can see this trail light. If you want this to be the braking light, and this red wire should be connected like this. And if you want this light to be the license plate light, remember this wire, red wire, connect. Okay, great. In our stock wire harness, this gray is mean license plate, the lighting use. Is also the power wire. Okay, so you can see, and I connect it here. Okay, to be this. So it means my trail light it's brighting all time when the ignition turn up. Okay, another part is mean turn signal. Remember, this is upside down, so right and left. Okay, first connect. There are 1, 2, 3. They are negative wire. They are all black. Connect together and put on this black with white. This is negative. Okay. The others is a turn signal, the power wire. They are maybe the green and the black. Remember, this black, not negative. It means left side, the power use. Okay, so you must know their function.